In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix JumpCloud Agent offline on Windows. If your JumpCloud Agent is showing as offline, one of the quickest and most effective things you can do is simply restart the agent service on the Windows computer. This helps refresh the connection and can resolve temporary communication issues between the device and JumpCloud. To begin, go to the Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. From the results, make sure you open Command Prompt as Administrator. This is important because restarting a Windows service requires elevated permissions. If you open a regular command prompt window, the commands may fail or return an access denied message. Once the administrator command prompt is open, the first command you'll enter is stop JumpCloud Agent, then press enter. This command tells Windows to stop the JumpCloud Agent service. Give it a few seconds to complete. In most cases, you should see a message confirming that the service stop request was successful. If it takes a moment, that's normal, so just wait until the process finishes before moving on. After the service has stopped, the next command to run is start JumpCloud Agent, press enter again. This starts the JumpCloud Agent service back up. What you're doing here is essentially giving the agent a clean restart, which can help it reestablish its connection properly. If the offline status was caused by a temporary glitch, this may be enough to bring the device back online. After running both commands, give the system a little time to reconnect. The status may not update instantly, so wait a minute or two and then check whether the agent appears online again in your JumpCloud environment. It can also help to make sure the computer has an active internet connection while you're doing this, since the agent needs network access to report in successfully. If the commands complete successfully, but the agent still appears offline, the restart step has at least ruled out a basic service issue, which is a useful first troubleshooting action. Also, be careful to type the service name exactly as shown, since even a small typo can prevent the command from working. That's it. By opening Command Prompt as administrator, stopping the JumpCloud agent, and then starting it again, you can quickly troubleshoot an offline JumpCloud agent on Windows and often restore connectivity without needing more advanced fixes.